Yo, 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 this is King Earner coming to you guys live and direct. Be sure to click that link in the descriptions and get that King Earner CMOSGold.com. Listen to me real quick, people. Tonight I'm feeling good this whole week. So I'm gonna give back some honor. I'm gonna restore some honor. Yeah, I'm giving restoration one more. Spanky, the one honor I snatched and said that he went to the DEA on me. When I seen a kitten at Smithville, I was told that the DEA grabbed him and they asked him questions about me, and he told on me this is why he moved out of state. Now, it was ironic that once I came home from prison, he moved. But sometimes things happen like that. But the person who gave me the information, the one who said that he's almost for sure that this guy, gave things up, and even in my suppression hearing, this little thing said, but never nothing pointing to this guy. But maybe a few things could be pointed to the other guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to restore Spanky's honor based off honor. That's authenticate Spanky, because I know it's a lot of Spankies. You guys got to stop. Oh, did King Earner mean this person? No, if I met that person, I'm going to say that person. I'm not going to go against that. But I wanted to restore his honor because I don't want to no longer hold on to something that I haven't seen proof of. Now, if it ever comes back, not in the dirt, but I'm going to put him up a post. That flag, that individuals got to understand that you can't cross. He's going to be pulled to that, stuck to that. Nobody's going to honor him. Nobody's going to speak, because there's going to be in black and white. We know how the DA play. We know how the ATF play. Although this was over 15, maybe 12 years, something of that nature, maybe 15 years ago. But at the end of the day, I snatched it. So I'm giving it back as a restoration fee. And I want that kitten to understand that at the end of the day, I carry it based off of vibes. Your vibe was off. Duck me. Then when we did get a chance to kick it, it was like, no, I wouldn't do that, bro. No, you would want to know what the source and how you carrying it and what's next. Instead, you act like it was nothing and just kept away. But being as though the person who gave me the information, he comes under the act of not to take from him because his credibility. We're really honoring that type of credibility thing. And his credibility doesn't lead to having that strength to be able to say that anybody done anything when it comes down to King Earner's life. I've done my time. I'm home now. So I'm burying the hatchet. But you, if it pops up, I'm going to put it everywhere, and I'm going to let them know that you never had the honor, and I never should have restored it. King Earner live and direct. I have a heart. I do things to make sure the people get an understanding who is who when it come down to these youngins. But I want the youngins to also see that I'm not an individual that's cold-hearted, that's going to continue to hold on things. 3 people said maybe it was true. So I went with that. That's Sanaa. But at the end of the day, ain't really no true proof that boy told on me, man. And I done my time, and I'm a better individual. Watch these kittens because they'll lie on your name. Watch these kittens because they'll talk greasy about you behind your back, only to do what? Can I tell you? Be dishonorable because of jealousy and hatred. We must overcome that, youngins. You trying to get some money, don't be on the same corner rumbling. I don't want you on the corner, but you on the corner. Look out for one another. And guess what? The minute you get caught, know that it's over. You're not going to continue to try to sell drugs and go on a negative route knowing that they're going to bang you. That don't make no sense. You're going to go ahead and do that tick knowing they're going to bang you. Man, come on, man. Nah, go another route. But if it comes and you got to go to prison, you make sure you do day for day for that wrong you done. You get on your knees, you pray to your Lord, and you ask for forgiveness, because at the end of the day, it's forgiveness behind them walls. Us in captivity, we at our purest, we at our best. It's sad to say that it helped a lot of us get our lives together and get on a stable platform with a stable foundation. Whether you've done 1,000,000 years or a day, King Earn alive and direct.